Space, an endless void whose secrets are still unknown to science. A flawless system of billions of galaxies and the stars, planets, comets, asteroids, and clouds of gas and dust all moving together in perfect harmony. And the Milky Way, the giant star system of which our solar system is a part. We shall soon be examining this magnificent system from one end to the other. Our journey will begin from the very furthest planet from our Sun. Pluto, the furthest planet from the Sun. A world of rock and terrifying cold. Its surface temperature is around minus 238 degrees centigrade. Under the influence of that freezing cold, even the thin atmosphere of this planet is turning into a block of ice. A dead mass of ice. Neptune, another frozen planet. Surface temperature minus 218 degrees centigrade. The atmosphere, consisting of hydrogen, helium, and methane, is poisonous to life. The high levels of poisonous methane give its atmosphere a blue color. This is a deadly world, racked by terrible storms moving at up to 2,000 kilometers an hour. Uranus, a dead planet, largely consisting of rock and ice. It takes Uranus 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Its atmosphere of hydrogen, helium, and methane is fatal to life. Saturn. This is the second biggest planet in our solar system. It is particularly well known for the system of rings encircling it. These rings are made up of gases, rock, and ice. The planet itself is composed entirely of gas, 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. Its density is less than that of water. Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system. Also a gaseous planet. It is 318 times the size of Earth. This large red mark is a storm large enough to hold 2 of our Earths. There is no land on it. An insane cold, terrible storms that last for hundreds of years. A magnetic field that could kill any living thing. A dreadful and frightening planet. And Jupiter's satellite, Io, covered in volcanoes. It acts as an electrical generator as it moves through Jupiter's magnetic field, developing 400,000 volts across its diameter. Mars. Its atmosphere is a poisonous mixture with high levels of carbon dioxide. Its surface is full of craters caused by striking meteors and deep valleys hundreds of kilometers long. a ball of red rock ruled by violent winds and sandstorms that go on for months. Venus. Unlike the freezing cold of the other planets, Venus is a giant oven of burning temperatures. The temperature on its surface is enough to melt lead, around 450 degrees centigrade. It has a heavy atmosphere made up of a thick layer of carbon dioxide. The atmospheric pressure on this planet is equivalent to that found on Earth at 1 kilometer below the sea. Its atmosphere is covered with layers of sulfuric acid kilometers high. The planet is therefore constantly subjected to lethal acid rain. Nothing can live in such an atmosphere. Mercury, the nearest planet to the Sun. It spins around its own axis very slowly. Since its days and nights are very long, one face glows red and the other freezes. Such an environment would be fatal to any living thing. As this short journey has shown us, 8 out of the 9 planets in our solar system and all their 53 moons are incapable of sustaining life. Each one is dead, a mass of silent rock and gas. However, one planet in this system, one that we have not looked at yet, is very different from the others. Because all its features, from its atmosphere to the makeup of its surface, from the temperature to its magnetic field, and from its elements to its distance from the Sun, have been created in the best manner for sustaining life. That planet is our Earth.